Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with a super cool, feature-rich, probably one of the most feature-rich networking hubs I've ever seen. This is the Circle Home. You can go to the website at meetcircle.com, and this is Circle with Disney. This thing is pretty amazing. It's very inexpensive, only $99 right now. You can, of course, use it with apps on your mobile devices, and it gives you basically internet access, but also control over managing your connected devices. With Circle, the parents can filter content, limit online screen time, and set a bedtime for every device in the home. This can really give parents, for the very first time, a huge amount of control over their children, what they're watching, what apps they access, what websites they access. And not only does it work at home, if they download the Circle Go app, which pairs with it, they can actually control what apps and stuff kids are using on their phone, what access they have or don't have access to that you don't want them watching. It pairs wireless with your home Wi-Fi, allows you to manage every device on your network, and the families can create unique profiles for each family member, and the kids will have a connected experience that's designed just for them. You can make time limits, bedtime times, filter of what you want them to see or don't see. You can even give them rewards, where if you want to work with different apps to reward them for performance and give them more time or more access on the web, then you can do that as well. You can even pause the internet very quickly and easily from it. You can set an off time, and you can measure usage as to what your kids are doing. Now you don't have to take and tell your kids to get off Facebook or Netflix or YouTube. You can literally give it a time limit, and once they've used too much, then there you go. You can set daily time limits for each family member on any app, platform, or category you want. The time limits you can customize when your kids spend on each platform, and even their total overall online time. You can say goodnight to devices where they'll just go ahead and turn off at bedtimes that you take and set. And it's designed for every age. There's a pre-K filter that they pre-program for you, a kindergarten, a teen, and an adult filter, and of course a none if you want to take and do that as well. And you can reward your kid for behavior as well. They can extend the time limit or disable an off time, or they can get a late bedtime as a reward. So pretty cool there. And you got a pause button as well. I got to tell you, I'm super excited about this. Very impressed with the rich resource they put in there, and I was actually surprised. I actually banned myself from looking at several websites, which I probably should have anyway. I spend too much time on Facebook when it comes down to it. You can block ads, Safesearch. It works with every mobile device. You can set up guest devices, and it gives you the choice not to manage a device if you want, so you want to do your own thing through it. And you can receive push notifications to let you know what's going on. This is backed by Disney, which is really cool. In fact, you can give them access to Disney videos, blogs, GIFs, memes, emojis, music, games, characters, and lots more through My Circle, and make sure that what they're watching is appropriate for you and what you want your kids to see. I certainly highly recommend this. I've been impressed with this product since the moment I heard about it. I've been even more impressed by the price, the feature richness of it, and Disney did a great job with this. Go to meetcircle.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you.